Let's take a look at your assignment for today. We are still working on division, and we're going to continue looking at division in standard form. I'm going to use my tools up here to zoom in. I'm going to go ahead and select the tool that I'm going to use to draw this picture so that I can hide the tools and have more room to work. So I'm going to use a pencil. I'll make it a little bit thicker. I'm going to zoom in to the box, and then I can drag this box so that I can see all the information I need. Let's put it right there. So now I can see my template or my formula, and I can see the box where I need to work. Now I'm going to click this square to hide the tools out of the way and I have room to work. Okay, looking at this equation, 21 divided by 7 equals something. So this means there are 21 items total divided into 7 groups, and I'm trying to figure out how many belong in each group. And I'm looking at this to be my guide. There are 21 items total. Those 21 items are divided into 7 groups, and I'm trying to find how many items are going to be in each group. So let's draw our picture. I know that I have 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are my 7 groups. Now I need to divide or pass out or share those 21 items. That's a way we can think of division. I'm passing out, I'm sharing, I'm dividing. Think about this like if we had a class party, which we're going to have next week for Halloween. When I'm passing out, let's say, goodie bags, I don't go to the first person and lay down 5 goodie bags and then go to the next person and lay out 5 goodie bags and so on, because if I start passing them out in big clumps like 5, I might run out, or I might have to start giving everyone fewer, and then it just would not be fair. So instead, I would give each person 1 goodie bag, and then if I have enough, I might go back through and give everyone a second goodie bag. So that's how we can think of division. We're passing it out and we're sharing it in a way that's fair and equal. So let's pass out these 21 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I still have not reached 21. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I still have not reached 21. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, I passed out all 21, and I know I did it correctly because this one's easy to look at and I can see that they each have the same amount. But if it were larger groups, it might not be so easy just to see, but I know that I did it correctly because I gave out my last item on my last group. I didn't have any extras. Some groups don't have more than others. They're all equal. So now to figure out how many are in each group, I can just look at one group and see how many are there. 1, 2, 3. So that means that 21 divided by 7 is 3. I am going to also do the one below this. And I'm going to do the one below it so that I can still see this guide, I can still see this formula as I help you. So I know that I have 18 items total. I'm going to divide those into 3 groups, and I will figure out how many items are in each group. So let's start by drawing those 3 groups, since I know that's how many I have. 1, 2, 3. Now, just like before, I'm going to pass out those 18 items fairly and equally. I'm going to give each group 1 item until I run out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And again, I know that I did it correctly because I gave out my last item on my last group. I didn't start over and only give some groups another one, and one group was left out. They all ended up with the same amount. Now let's count and see how many are in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that 18 divided by 3 is 6. And you'll notice that when we're done with our picture, it looks like a multiplication picture. It looks like a model of equal groups. And that's because multiplication and division are related. And both are dealing with equal groups. But how we form those equal groups is the difference. With multiplication, I can draw the picture right away, and then I have to go back and count all of the items. With division, I'm forming my picture as I work, and at the end, I just have to count how many items are in one group. So even though the picture for multiplication and division looks the same, the way I get to that picture is the difference. All right, for your assignment today, you are going to complete the rest of this page. If you're stuck, there is an example up here. It's also showing how you could do it with an array, but I would really like for you to do it with equal groups right now. So think about this model right here. This is what 12 divided by 3 would look like. You'll find out that there are 4 in each group. And I'm going to leave my first example here for you to look at, and then you'll do the rest on your own.